Got mail, y'all. It is a new subscription mystery box from Waba Hair and Beauty. I'm so excited. I believe there's 3 different types of subscription: bi-weekly, monthly subscription, every 3 months. I have no idea what's in this box. So it says the subscription box includes 3 synthetic lace front wigs and accessories. You can choose your own preferences. You can subscribe and save for as low as $20 per wig. Let's check out these accessories first though. Tie-dye rat tail comb, hanging shampoo comb. Look how pretty that is. A double-sided edge brush and comb combo. Look how pretty these earrings are. Stocking caps, free lip gloss, styler fixer, freeze hairspray. It's a 2-in-1 lace glue and styling spray. Oh, okay. I've been seeing this online a lot and I haven't had a chance to try it yet. Just look. Oh, wow. This should be very interesting. I've tried purple like mixed in a couple times, but never like straight on. Whoa, a blunt cut bob from Bobby Boss Hair, and it comes in pink. Now that's a color I haven't tried before. And let's see my last wig. Okay. I got this gorgeous long and curly girl from the Melted Hairline. They gave me purple, pink, and black. Definitely a random selection, but I'm really excited to try all of these. Head over to wabahair.com and get you a subscription box too if you want to get random selections of the latest styles, wigs, and colors, and really nice accessories. The pink one, the purple one, or the black one. Drop down in the comments below and let me know which wig I should try first. Stay tuned for all the wig installs.